When you run a search, TeamSlide searches all text, notes, and configured metadata on your slides to serve you the most relevant results. In addition to the search function, you can also filter your results. Here you can find lots of properties to filter by, and these options will vary based on the properties you've created. TeamSlide allows you to import or create custom properties, like tags or industry that you see here, and use them to browse content. If you don't know exactly what you're looking for, this is a great way to browse. If you'd like help setting up your custom properties, please reach out.